right, now first of all, I'm going to create an account. Let me create an account. I'll use that as my username. I'll use this as my password. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's the password. Choose my contract, Armenia, and then there's no referral, so I'll go ahead and register, accept the terms and privacy, and register. Okay, it's loading now. The service is quite bad, service is really bad here. I said service interrupted, sorry, I'm having a lot of service issue here. All right, so it has loaded. That's the user dashboard. Okay, so this is the sleek looking dashboard. Let me reload it so that the service is really an issue today. Service is a very big issue here. How do I do this? Service is a very big issue here. Let me reconnect my service. A very, very big issue today. Okay, I'm back. All right, so this is their dashboard. Are you seeing how it looks? This is the user dashboard. Very, very sleek. All right, you see it has a card balance. So the first thing I need to do, I have $0. This account that has been registered new, they have $0. So I need to I need to make a deposit. How do I make a deposit? So I need to click on deposit. I will enter the amount that I want to deposit. So I want to deposit that. I will choose my method of deposits. I would like to go with BTC, and then I'll click on proceed. All right, so I need to copy my wallet address here. So let's copy it. Then I'll go ahead and make my payment. After making my payment, I will upload the proof of payment. I will need to upload the proof of what? Payment. So let's upload the proof of payment. There's the receipt. All right, so I will click on submit. So he said your payment has been successfully. Now, when I created an account, an email will be sent to me. First of all, this is the email that was sent to me for creating an account. They say, who ever cover, we are really excited to welcome you to FastPay. All right, community, and this, that. Make deposit and buy investment plan and sit back and enjoy while you make money for you, while your money work for you. Now, I funded an account successful fund. I also get an email, successful deposit of, I say this is to inform you that your deposit of 700 USD is successful. Please wait while we confirm the deposit. You will receive a notification regarding the status. All right, so you receive a notification regarding the status. Now the account has been forwarded. They need admin to validate it. So I'm going to log into admin and validate it. So this is the admin end. This is the admin dashboard. So here now admin can click on deposit or click on manage deposit. Anyone will work and manage the deposit that has been done on the system. Okay, so this is the deposit that has been done. So I check the deposit. All right, or I can delete or process it. So I'll go ahead and process this deposit. So the deposit has been processed. Now once deposit is processed, the user will receive an email, and the deposit will also be you see what we have here is $0, and the deposit will also be increased. The deposit will also be increased. So if I click on home, now, so you see that this guy now has 700 USD. Are you saying that he now has 700 USD? Okay, So once you also go to his email address, you see that the deposit has been confirmed. You get the email of deposit has been confirmed. This informs you that your $700 is successful. Please wait while we confirm your deposit. We will receive a notification regarding that. Alright, so once it has been confirmed, you get an email. Alright, so now the next thing I can do is to buy a plan. I can go ahead and get an investment plan and invest in a particular plan. So there are a lot of plan: professional plan, premium, and starter plan. So you see the professional plan, the plan price is $25,000. The minimum is $25,000. The maximum is the minimum is $25,000. The maximum is $100,000. I know this kind of plan. So, but you get 35% and 75% respectively, my minimum and maximum what. So I will go for the starter plan. The starter plan gives you 8% every 30 minutes for 1 hour. So it will drop the profit for you twice, and the minimum is $450 and the maximum is what, $5,000. So I have $700, so I can deposit. I can invest 500. I can invest 500. So I'll click on confirm. So this system, yes, it has you have successfully purchased a plan and your plan is now active. Now this system uses Laravel LiveWire. There is what they call Laravel LiveWire. It's just like a JavaScript for Laravel. So it uses, that's how you use doing this. You send this thing to the server using Laravel LiveWire. It's a very, very robust system that you have here. Okay, it's very, very robust system. So I have invested in a plan. Let me go back to home. You see the plan that I have invested in. We check on it. So I'll be giving 30% every 8% every 30 minutes. That's the plan that I've invested in. When you look at it, look at the status. Just click on this. You see the status. You see the starter plan, 8% every 30 minutes for 1 hour. I can cancel it. All right. Currently, I've earned 0 profit, but in after 30 minutes time, I will get 8% of this money here. All right. Yeah. So I'll get 8% of that money there. So the plan started at this time, on Monday, October 10, 2020. By this time, it will end by this time. In an hour time, is going to end. All right. Minimum return is 5%, while maximum return is 10%. Okay. So I'm going to get 10% of that amount, minimum of 5% from this amount. Okay. So now I can check my transactions, right? I can check my transactions. These are the transactions I've made. This is a deposit transaction. This is my withdrawal. I've not made any withdrawal yet. These are other transactions. I bought a plan. I purchased a plan. All right. Okay. I can manage my account profile. I can make a withdrawal as well. If I want to make a withdrawal, it requires me to enter my password. So I'll enter my password. Alright, so here now I will choose the method I want to withdraw with, request withdrawal. Alright, so I'll choose the method, say $200, and I'll enter I'll request for OTP. Alright, OTP will be sent. The OTP can be off actually. You can off it. You initiated the withdrawal, use OTP. So I'm going to use this thing as my OTP. You can off it if you don't want. In fact, I'm going to off it for all the users, so that if you need it, you can. So I want to withdraw $200. Okay, sorry, I want to withdraw $200. Sorry, that's the place I put the amount here. Then here I put my wallet address. But I've not done my KYC, so this thing will not go through it. It require me to do my KYC Okay, the KYC is currently off. Let's check. KYC is off. That's why it went through. All right, KYC is off. It went through because there is no KYC. If you look at manage withdrawal, you see that it's not pending. So let me check my KYC. It's currently off. App settings. All right, KYC is off. Look at it. KYC. No customer is off. So if I turn it on, you require for you to do KYC before you can withdraw. All right, KYC is off. Okay, so for me to make any withdrawal again, I need to enter my KYC. I need to do KYC before I can do that again. All right, so but you get a KYC logo there. Once yes, KYC is now on. Look at that. You see KYC is now on. So once you click on it, verify my account. So I need to do KYC now. All right. Okay, that's KYC for you. All right, so I will show you the admin login. Let me go ahead and show you the admin login. You can swap token as well. You can swap token here. You can also, if I go to admin and on the trade mode, what's it called, live trade and meta, this is the swap settings. That's the swap settings. Subscription settings, empty metaphor is on, and I'll put the subscription fee and the rest of all those things. So the metaphor is on, so I can manage accounts. Just trade MT4. Yes, I can log in and trade meta. Log in with my login details and trade MT4 trade here. Okay, metaphor. Okay, I can refer a client. I come here to see the my referrer. So currently I don't have anyone. I've not referred anyone. Okay, so my profit, no profit yet. I've not earned any profit. So that's virtually everything about the admin and the user dashboard. So let me go ahead and show you everything you need to see about the admin dashboard. Let me show you everything you need to see about the admin dashboard. All right, so now the admin dashboard has a lot of functionalities that I'm going to show you. It has a lot of functionalities I'm going to show you. Now look at this. This is the admin dashboard. Now this is the admin dashboard. You can manage users. All right, you can send me. Now in this case, now you can select this. One of the good thing about this online investment trade is that you can mark 2 or 3 traders and execute, like I can add ROI to them. I can top them up at the same time. All right, I can do them one by one. Okay, I can add profit to a user. I can deduct profit from a user. Look at our user here. I can go ahead and add profit to this user. This is the all right, KYC. I can view his plan. Look at that. This is a plan is currently on. You know, when I bought this plan. All right, I can go ahead and credit this user. I can turn off his trade. I can check his login activities. All right, I can check the user login activity. I can credit an account. I can clear his account. I can add a trading history. I can do everything. I can even log in as the user from admin. So let's credit this user profit. Let me credit him $2,000. I want to credit the profit. Okay, so we see credit. So currently it has no profit, so it has been credited. So I can go over here now. When I log into when I go back to the admin, you see that this guy now has 200. All right, I can add history. I can add profit history. Currently it doesn't have any profit history because no profit has dropped. The profit drops automatically. So what I need to do is that I can come here and say let me add history. I will select the plan. I will say that the plan is starter plan. I will select the amount that is $50 I want to add, and I said is ROI. I click on add. So a history has been added. Look at that. If I refresh this, you see that history has been added. You see, he now has that history. Now the money also goes to his account with profit. Profit was 2,000. Now it's now 250. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let's look at the settings, because everything can be done. Everything you can manage withdrawals. All right, my internet is off again. Internet is out again. All right, you can manage withdrawals, you can manage accounts. Okay, the MT4 account, you can manage it here. So let's click on the settings. I will show you a lot of things about the settings. A lot of things you need to know about the settings. App settings. All right, that's the settings. Now there are a lot of settings. Now you see this, I told you that everything can be changed from here. You see this first page, the name is, once I change it, look at that. Let's go to the front end. Let me show you something. You see the name is fast pay, that's the name. And see the name here is remedyhy@gmail.com. You see the name here is fastpay. In fact, the name of the website is fastpay aside the logo that we are seeing there. So once I go there and change this thing, it reflects. In fact, you can edit. What I'm trying to say is that you can edit the front end from the admin. That's what one good thing about this. You don't need to go to start looking for the HTML of this. So let me show you. Now let me change it to what Remedy Tech. All right, let me change it to that. The phone number now we change it to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Now the phone number, look at the phone number you're having there is 880. If the phone number you're having there is 8889, right? And this thing is fast pay. Are you seeing that? So let's go ahead and make these changes. I can change the URL. Now this is the live chat. If you don't want any of the live chats, like currently it has 2 live chat that is on there. You see this is Tito, this is what Twack. All right, so if I don't want any, what I'll do is to clean out this. Anyone I want, I'll clean it out. If I want, I'll just copy the code of the live chat and paste it here. The live chat will be on. All right, now this is the address. Now if you go and check on the settings, you see that the address there is that address you're seeing there. We can change it to our own address. All right, look at it, 33 Doctors Road. We can change it. So I'm going to change the address to whatever I want here. I'll change it to New York. I'll change it to New York. Sorry, I made a mistake. I'll change it to what? New York. All right, let's just write it as New York. The logo now, this logo you're seeing here, it can be changed as well. This logo can be changed, so I can go there and click on change logo as well. I'll go and select a logo of my choice. I don't know if I have any logo here. So I have this as logo. I'll click on this reward. So let me update. Okay, the settings have been done. See the name, I changed it to Remedy. This thing will be Remedy. The logo will change as well. So let's go back. We are having Remedy Tech. Look at the address we're having. So let's refresh and you see everything will change. Are you seeing the logo we have now? Are you seeing that this thing has changed to New York? All right, the phone number has changed. The email here now, you can change it. You need to go to preference, change the contact email to whatever you want. Let's change it to gmail@yahoo.com, so that all right, so let's change it to that and let's make changes. Save. All right, it has been saved. So let's go back there and refresh. You see, pretty much everything can be done from here. You can change everything from the admin. All the whole basic, you see it has been changed. All right, the address, we change the address. We change the address to New York. Let's change it to back what it was before, please. Let's change it back to what it was before. All right, so let's go back here and change the address and also change the name. So let's put that address there. Let's put there to be Remedy Tech. Alright, so let's go back and put our logo there. The logo we have before is better. So let's put this logo here and let's update. Alright, so the email has been updated. So we go ahead and refresh. The address has been updated, the logo has been changed. You see, that's the logo we have now. Are you seeing that? The address has also been changed. Are you seeing that? Is that not good? Okay, so that's very, very awesome. So it has all the functionalities you need for you. So the plans, the investment plans as well, let's not forget the investment plans. So the investment plan can also be detailed from here. Look at that. That's the investment plan now. That's the investment plan. So we can make the deeds. In fact, you don't need to start looking at anything to do that. So currently, you see the minimum plan here is 450 and the name is starter. Okay, the name is starter. So I can come here and change it to gold. And I will say that it will be 200 minimum and the maximum is what, 500. Okay, and change the time to 30 minutes or anything. So once I do this, it will reflect. Once I make the changes, look at that. Now let me make the changes. Now you see that it will reflect. So the changes has been made. So let's go ahead and refresh here. Alright, you see it has been made. So this is very, very easy. I can remove this live chat and add track. What I need to do is to add the track code. I need to add the track code to the settings. Alright, so this is pretty much very, very easy to use. Alright, it's pretty much very, very easy to use. Very, very, very easy for you to use. So what I need to do is come here and put the track code here and remove this. If I remove this, the code, that stuff will not be there again. The live chat will not be there. Alright, so once I remove the code of this thing of the live chat, it will not be there. So once you get the script, you just put the code of your live chat there and the live chat will be on. So there will be no live chat on this system again. There's no live chat. I see no live chat any longer. There's no longer live chat here. Are you seeing that? So once this just top bar, just to take it to the top, that's what that thing is. So once I go back now and add this Tido live chat code here, that's the code of the live chat, and I'll click on this. So I'll come back and the live chat will be there again. So this system has been built for you. Very, very robust system. Look at that. Tido live chat is now there. Are you seeing that? Is that not cool? Is that not robust? Okay, so now let me show you how you can design this site. It's very, very easy for you to design this site. Now I told you that before you can design this site, you need a domain name. You need a domain name. Normally we use Namecheap. To get a domain name. Now you must have known how to get a domain name. So the next thing is for you to get a domain name and get your cPanel. And once you get your cPanel, you can now go to what? You can now go and upload it to your public_HTML. Now the script of this script, you are going to get it. You're going to contact me on my WhatsApp and I'm going to give you the script. I'm going to tell you how you're going to get this script. It's very, very easy. So this is the demo 4. Now I've created the demo 4 because I have a lot of sites here that I have here. So this, I created another demo 4 here. So here now, that's the place I'm going to. That's okay. I'll create not demo 4, I'll create demo 5. I have a site on that demo 4. Let me create a folder called demo 5. All right, I'll create a folder called demo 5. Okay, it already exists. I've created it. So let me refresh and see if I can see it. Why I'm not seeing demo 5 here. Alright, let me go ahead and create demo 6. Okay, so I will use demo 6 as my this stuff. So here is where I'm going to upload the site. So we're going to get the script. You're going to get the script of this website. So the script of this website is what you are going to upload. All right, you're going to upload it here. You're going to upload it, and once you upload it, you can now create this site. So this script is uploading. So once you contact me and get the script, open your public_html and upload the script. Once the script is uploading, go to your cPanel menu, scroll down and look for what MySQL wizard, database wizard. Click on it. You click on it, create a database. So I'm going to call this database demo 5. All right, I'll click on next step. Click on next step. I'll call the username demo 5, and I will generate the password there. I'll use password generator to generate it. So I'll copy the password and I will click on what use. Go ahead. So I'll open my notebook and paste the details of this thing there. I'll paste the details. So I'll also copy the name and the user database name, they are the same. So I will click on all privileges and I will click on next. So the name and the password, I've copied them out. Alright, so I will still go back and check whether this thing is still going. So I'll go back to my SQL and click on my cPanel. So I'm going to kill two birds. I'm going to make this thing very fast. Alright, so go to PHP my admin. Go back to your cPanel and click on PHP my admin. Once you click on PHP my admin, this is the database we created, demo 5. Alright, we click on import and import the database of this website. You're going to import the database of this script. Look at the database here. You're going to import it and click on go. Okay, so this thing has finished uploading. As this one is now going, you come back here, you come back to this place and click on reload, then click on start. Click on extract. So as it's extracting, so it has finished extracting. Click on reload. Alright, so scroll down. Now if you are using this cPanel for the first time, there's what they call hidden file. So you click on these settings here and click on show hidden file, so that hidden files will show, because there is a file called .env. It's very, very important. Right click here and click on edit, then click on edit again to open the .env. Here is where you're going to put here is where you're going to connect your database and the script together. So here now you put the name of your website here. So I want the name of my website to be demo 5. Alright, you put the URL. So the URL is going to be Coast Remedy, because the domain name is Coast Remedy, but I created a subdomain, not a subdomain, a subfolder inside it that I called demo 5. So it is going to be inside demo 5. Alright, so here now I'm going to enter my password, the database details. I copy them separately, so I'm going to copy the database name and username, which happen to be the same thing. I'll copy this here, paste it here. I'll copy this here and paste it here. Alright, so I'm going to also enter the password here. Alright, so this is the password. I'll copy it here and paste it here, and I'll paste it there, and I'll click on what, save. Yes, alright. Alright, it has been saved. This stuff is still loading, it's taking time. I think it should have finished loading by now. If not for this nonsense issue of service I'm having, it should have finished loading by now. So let's, okay, it's done. So the URL of the site is CodeStream because it's inside this place, but I created a sub folder called demo5. So this is the URL. I'll go ahead and click on demo5. Alright, sorry, I need to put a space here, and I will save. Yes. I will save it here.